Think you've seen it all? Think again. Moments that take your breath away, stunts that defy logic, chases that push every limit. Every frame is captured in razor-sharp detail. Seeing is believing. From the streets to the skies, from the unbelievable to the unforgettable. Ready for the unbelievable? Subscribe and buckle up. This is Caught in HD, where seeing is living the thrill.
How we doing, Jeff?
How you doing?
Good.
Can't stop me right now.
Why is that?
Because I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock. I gotta go to Walmart, gas station, take this truck back home, and I have to bring it all back to town.
Okay, roll the window down for me. Well, roll the window down. Jeff, if I have to smash the window, you're gonna catch another charge. Okay? Hop out the truck and we can talk about it, Jeff.
We're not.
Jeff, hop out of the vehicle. Who are you trying to call? Okay, and I'll make a phone call.
Do it right now before I take off.
Okay, well, hop out the truck then. Who are you trying to call?
I'm calling. Right now, I'm calling Kurt Bondman. If you already talked to your captain, I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock.
Unit over.
Jeff, if you leave, you're going to be committing a flee and elude. Okay, well, I still need you to get out of the vehicle, okay? Jeff, you're going to catch another charge, buddy. You're going to end up going to prison if you end up doing something
I'm going to
stupid.
prison anyway. That's why I'm turning myself in. You've been good to me, man.
I know, and I'm trying to be polite and trying to help you. But put the car in park.
13 on park.
I will call over westbound on Michigan. Turning on the 39. Turning north on the 39.
Northbound 39th Street, 60 miles an hour, no traffic, 1311.
Following stop.
Copy, following stop, 1312.
Following stop.
Hands up!
Copy, following stop, 1312.
What don't you understand? Keep them there.
Get out. Open it. Open it. I'll smash it. Open.
I'm gonna.
Open it now.
I am. Don't grab me. I'm already hurt.
Hop on out. Step out.
I'll get out. Can my brother come get my truck?
Quit reaching.
I ain't got nothing, dude.
Turn around, face the car. Turn around, face the car now.
I am.
Turn around and face the car.
Which way?
Right there.